Kudos to you, joining our foodie journey with Hogan Bakery. Today we're going to feature a delicious dessert product by Hogan Chef. Originated from Taiwan, Hogan Bakery is one of the most famous homegrown bakery chain with outlets in Taiwan, China, and Malaysia.
Come, guess what's inside the box?
小丽又和大家见面了，今天要分享一个很好吃的甜点，这是哈肯铺的出品，猜猜里面装着什么来？
Yes, burnt cheesecake.
是巴斯克焦香乳酪蛋糕来，英文名称为 burnt cheesecake， 意思就是烧焦的芝士蛋糕。
This unique dessert is a crustless cheesecake, with a burnt exterior crust that has a delicious caramel note.
The burnt cheesecake is charred, with rough and irregular edges and a soft and melting heart.
The secret is in fact all there, in that scorched surface that adds the unique and unmistakable aroma to the cake.
Unlike New York cheesecake, burnt cheesecake does not have a crust. New York cheesecake is baked low and slow in a water bath.
Burnt cheesecake, on the other hand, is baked high and fast. This high temperature forms a caramelized exterior that serves as a natural crust for the burnt cheesecake.
以往烤乳酪蛋糕大都用低温烤或水浴法，成品总要漂漂亮亮的。巴斯克焦香蛋糕打破了这些条框，蛋糕在高温下烘烤，烘焙过程中满是飘香。
It is not recommended eating it warm or hot but chilled instead.
Much like other types of cheesecake, this cake should be refrigerated for several hours so that it sets and the flavor fully develops.
If you try to serve it right away, the inside will not yet be set and the flavor will be bland.
Once refrigerated, let the cake come back to room temperature before serving.
蛋糕烤好之后，不建议马上吃，应该放进冰箱冷冻数小时，取出来经过解冻后才享用。这是巴斯克焦香蛋糕最美味的状态。理论分享完毕，是时候开动了哦。来一片尝尝。你看，外层烤的焦香，内在饱满松软。
Scorched and caramelized on the top with a rich, gooey interior.
实在让人垂涎欲滴。那就开动了哦。
Taste good. Soft, light, creamy.
I would like to have a piece.
Burnt cheesecake tastes like a very light cheesecake.
Its texture is much lighter than New York-style cheesecake, with an airy, soufflé-like cream cheese base batter.
I like it very much.
乳酪吃起来轻盈，不会腻。蛋糕体软绵绵的，有点吃舒芙蕾甜点的感觉。甜度拿捏适中，不会太甜，真的很不错。
Nice. One is not enough.
Help yourself.
各位吃货朋友们，你订阅我的频道了吗？还没的，现在赶紧点击订阅，然后点击小铃铛，再点击全部。下次我们有新的美食影片上传时，就会第一时间通知您，让您跟上美食的脚步。
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos2U channel.
Kudos2U is a foodie discovery channel, featuring product unbox and food review. Fast food and instant noodles are our core. Local delights and community recommended good food are featured here as well.
Join us to explore delicious food together. Subscribe Kudos2U channel now.
Then only we have chance to tell you stories about food, which one is tasty and yummy, which one tastes so only.
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe. Click the bell. Click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday. Irresistibly delicious. My cup of cake.
Yummy, yummy!
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points. 9 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.
今天的美食开箱视频，开动值打出9分，非常高评分。视频制作不含任何推销或抹黑动机。
See you again next Tuesday.
下周2，约定您一起开动喽！